Okay, as I've been off for my latest shoulder surgery here, I am trying to figure out ways to occupy my time. So I had this old Xarcade control panel that had broken on my stand-up arcade cabinet. So I ordered all new buttons and joysticks to replace it. Um, just got it put together, and I have a Raspberry Pi image that's just nothing but old coin-op arcade games. So let's test it out here in a second here. As you can see, the buttons all light up. There's player one, player two. So far, I've tried it. It's worked fine. Hopefully nothing messes up here while I'm recording. Uh, as you can see, arcade, there's 2282 right there. Daphne, there's 3. Neo Geo, 137. Atari Classic Arcade Games, there's 95. Capcom, there's 94. Capcom 1 System, 28. Capcom 2, 17. 3, 5. Data East, 74. I don't know what IRAM is, but there's 55. Konami, they always made some good ones. 126. 4 Mario games. Midway, which is some really good games, 44. Then you got your Mortal Kombat 3, Namco, 130. Nintendo Arcade, there's 17. Pac-Man, there's probably not very many of those. 12. Sega Arcade, 148. Those are shoot 'em ups, so there's just basically anything that you're flying or blowing up stuff. 266. SNK, 113. So you get the picture of Street Fighter. All games on this image, 2422. So we'll scroll down here to Neo Geo, and we'll see if I can get it to play one of my favorites. We'll scroll down to Metal Slug. Now, it's going to be kind of difficult for me to do this with one hand while So there's Metal Slug 5. We will hit the A button on our controller. Let it load. And over here, I'll reach over and I'll hit the coin button. Add some coins. And then we will hit player 1 start. And here we go. Choose your character. We'll go with Marco. And you're just like you're at the old arcade. Oh, I just jumped in the water. So it actually works pretty daggone well. I'm actually pretty satisfied with this. I think what I can actually do is, let me shut it off here for a quick second. What I can actually do is I can actually mount, if you can see this right here, this is actually the computer that runs it. So I think I can actually mount that inside of this control panel, and then you could store the whole system away, and then if you want to play it, you bring it out, you hook the HDMI to your TV and hook the power up, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.